Ghislaine Maxwell seeks clemency from Trump as she refuses to testify before Congress. What's the story? Ghislaine Maxwell, the longtime associate of disgraced financier Jeffrey Epstein, is appealing for clemency from U.S. President Donald Trump while refusing to answer questions from U.S. lawmakers investigating Epstein's crimes.
Ms. Maxwell, were you a close friend and confidant of Jeffrey Epstein?
I would like to answer your question, but on the advice of counsel, I respectfully decline to answer this question and any related questions. My habeas petition is pending in the Southern District of New York. I therefore invoke my right to silence under the Fifth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution.
Maxwell, who is serving a 20-year federal prison sentence for sex trafficking-related convictions, declined to answer questions during a closed-door deposition with the House Oversight Committee on Monday. Appearing via video link from a federal prison camp in Texas, Maxwell repeatedly invoked her Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination.
Let the record reflect that Ms. Maxwell has invoked the Fifth Amendment against self-incrimination. Ms. Maxwell, please be very clear. Are you declining to answer the question put to you solely on the ground that you believe the answer will incriminate you?
I invoke my Fifth Amendment right to silence.
During the deposition, Maxwell's attorney, David Oscar Marcus, told lawmakers that his client would be willing to speak fully and honestly if granted clemency by Trump. He also claimed that Trump and former President Bill Clinton had done nothing wrong in their past interactions with Epstein, a claim not supported or disputed by new evidence. Neither Trump nor Clinton has been charged or credibly accused of wrongdoing in the Epstein case. Democratic lawmakers criticized the appeal as an attempt to pressure the president. Representative Melanie Stansbury called it a campaign for clemency, while Republican Representative Anna Paulina Luna publicly rejected the idea, writing on social media that Maxwell should comply or face punishment.
First one, real quick, you said that you do not support at all Ghislaine Maxwell getting any clemency for her testimony. And why is it important for her to be held accountable?
Well, because according to the files that we all saw, she was engaged in the trafficking and also rape of young women and potentially children. I don't think that she deserves any special treatment. She's a monster.
And are you gonna...
The White House pointed to previous statements from Trump indicating that a pardon for Maxwell is not under consideration. Maxwell was convicted in 2021 in federal court in Manhattan for helping Epstein recruit, groom, and traffic underage girls, some as young as 14, for sexual abuse at properties in New York, Florida, New Mexico, and elsewhere. Epstein died in a New York jail in 2019 while awaiting trial in a death ruled a suicide. The renewed focus on Maxwell comes as lawmakers review more than 3 million Epstein-related files released by the U.S. Department of Justice under a law passed by Congress last year. Several lawmakers said the documents include unredacted victim information, sparking outrage from survivors' advocates, while others argue key details about Epstein's associates remain concealed. Maxwell remains incarcerated as legal challenges to her conviction continue, and the prospect of clemency remains uncertain amid mounting political and public scrutiny.